Well, good day everyone, welcome back to Hibbo's Model Bench. Just trying something a bit different. I have my microphone that I use for voiceovers and stuff on my desk at the model bench at the moment, because I have my big camera over in the kitchen because I'm doing a glazed ham for my cooking channel, which is Simon's Journey to Home Cooking Prowess. So go give that a look. Subscribe to it. I don't cook much on it, but you know, if you want to see something cooked, let me know and I'll do it. If I've got the skill, which I do. So yeah, just let me know if you want something cooked and I'll do it when I'm home or when I've got the time to do it. So what I've done today, I did actually do another video, but it didn't work. My microphone and the big camera was out of battery, so yeah, unfortunately, all the stuff I was doing while I was actually putting it all together didn't work. So what I've got here is the bridge superstructure. Oh, let me just go back to this. Yes, I've got the bridge superstructure all done. Lots and lots of photo etch on it, as you can see. I don't like that. Hang on. Yeah, so there's lots of photo etch. There's bits everywhere. Not sure if you can see it. No, it's up here somewhere. Where is it? Oh, on the... Oh, you can't see it on that. But yeah, so that's the photo etch done for the bridge structure. So I'm going to give this a prime today, and then I'll start looking at doing a camo pattern up onto it. So yeah, I think looks quite decent. Like I said, there's a heap of photo etch. There's a lot of bending when it got done. There's a bit here at the back. Let's see if I can point it out to you. Just here. Just go to turn autofocus off. Let's see. Oh, I must slide my finger open there. Just a little bit here. Oh. It's not even focusing there. There's autofocus. No, it's not going to work, but there we go. There's a bit here, that little bit at the back, that was good fun. There's a little bit of bending in that. That's turned out actually perfectly. So I've got a couple of doors on. I'll just go out and zoom out a bit because it's not really seeing much. Yeah, so I've got a few doors on, just on the superstructure like there. Yeah, so I'm quite happy with that. So I just got to put some little guns. You can see there, which were folded as well. Big guns that I'm meant to be doing, I'm not doing because it's just too much drama. Seriously. So much folding, they're so fragile. I've tried a few, broken a few, so yeah, not doing that. So pretty much parts 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 are done. Well, not pretty much, they are done. I just haven't put the mast on the back yet because that's going to be very brittle, and that is photo etch also. So the next thing what I might be doing is put on my spectacles, and they're actually my sunnies. Next thing I'm going to do is the stack. There's a fair bit of photo etch that goes on that, I believe. Just have a look. The whole stack area, there's a fair bit. Yeah, just looking at this, there's heaps of photo etch down the stack. So that's what I'll do next, which I'll probably do today. So it'll be 22nd, 12, 22 PM. I'll do that before I have a beer. Yeah, so it's coming along nicely. So anyway, if this works, I'll post. If it doesn't work, I won't. It's only a short video because all the good stuff's been done. So yeah, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you have, please don't unsubscribe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't, give it 2 thumbs down. Yeah, go catch Peter. He's finally doing the Amato. It's coming along nicely. That's Oscar Modeler. And then we have Jace. I've got to get confused. Jace and Peter, one's Oscar Modeler, one's Aussie Scale Modeler. So Oscar Modeling is Peter and Aussie Scale Modeler is Jason. Go check out Build Rat. Alex is doing alright. Seems a lot happier these days. So yeah, go check out the Aussie boys. We're all doing well. Yeah, so there won't be an Aussie Modelers live this week due to it being Christmas. We might do a quick one Christmas Eve. I've got to talk to the boys about that, so we'll see how we go. Anyway, if I don't see you before Christmas, make sure you take care. Look after each other, look after yourselves, drink in moderation, eat as much food as you want. Get that food coma happening. Be nice to your families, be nice to your loved ones. It's Christmas. Not all of us are happy at this time, so reach out if you're feeling a bit lonely. We're all here to talk, and we're all one big happy family here in Duo's Model Bench and Aussie Scale Modeler and Aussie Scale Modelling and Aussie Models Live. So yeah, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Laters.